Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be learning on how to add our shipping address on the Xianyu account. For those that don't have a shipping address yet, you can check my video. You can check the video that is attached to this particular one on how to get a shipping address. And if you know you are not in Nigeria, you are in countries like Europe, Italy, Ghana, whatever country you are, you know you need a shipping address to use on this Chinese website. You can reach out to me. My WhatsApp number is on the screen. You can reach out to me for international shipping address to use. Now, if you're new to my channel, kindly like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so whenever I post a video, you get notified. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you so you can see how I added my shipping address to my Xianyu account. Here is how to add your shipping address on Xianyu account. First, you open the app, then you click on me. You click on me, you go to settings. Can you see where my arrow is pointing at? When you click on settings, you click on the second item, 1 2. Can you see where my arrow is pointing at? You click on this Chinese word, that's number 2. When you click on it, you have two options like this. Then you click on the first one. When you click on the first item, I already have two addresses here. So I want to add another address for the sake of people that will be adding a new address to their Xianyu account. So you click on this plus sign. You click on this plus sign and you allow paste because I already copied my shipping address. So make sure you already copied the shipping address you want to use on the Xianyu app. So I copied my shipping address already. So I'll allow to paste. Then here I have my shipping address details here. I click on this orange and this yellow button. Then this is my shipping address, but the numbers are not correct. They did not align well. So I'm just going to edit few things here. Now this is my name, but this number needs to be a Chinese number. That's your shipping company number. So I have my shipping company number here. So I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. Can you see what I'm doing? So when you paste it here, you need a postal code. So I'm just going to fill in this. Let's take for example. Don't copy my address, so make sure you use the one that is attached to your number. Can you see? So let's say this is my postal address. Then you click on this yellow icon. When you click on it, that is to save the address on this app. So this is how to add your shipping address. Now, if you get knowledge from watching this video, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.